Alright guys, sorry for being gone for so long. The coronavirus got in the way and it just really jacked me up. So I apologize for taking forever. But today's episode, you're going to just see us screwing around. It's a rainy day and we built a Miata death cart. Actually, I didn't have anything to do with it. I brought over a welder and we just welded up the spider gears and we locked this rear end. So it's pretty fun. I don't even know what year this car is, but it's a Miata and it's been completely cut apart and now it is so fun. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we will see you next time. I'm hoping to have a video out probably beginning of April.